everybody, and welcome to Demon Fix My TV. Honestly, I just saw a lot of funny videos about this. Apparently there's a very angry grandma about it, so kinda wanna try it out, you know?
Oh, demon, if you hear this blasphemy, wake up.
Oh! Sounds. Oh god, the sounds are horrible. Oh!
Three, in one vision clear. Oh, demon, to my call now appear.
No, it's a puzzle.
Three at a time. You have to come here, is a little fuck.
Oh! Oh, that's my fault. Oh shit!
No way! It's finally a demon! A real honest-to-goodness demon! My whole life trying to summon a demon, and I finally did it! Would you look at that? Okay, look, my name is Encarnita. Well, it's Encarna, but everybody calls me Encarnita. Alright? Oh yes, the spell is still going, of course. I haven't even gotten past the beginning. Let's see. Demon, your will is bound to mine, okay? That basically means that you have to do what I tell you. And I would like, if it's not too much trouble, for you to fix my TV. I don't know what's happened. My Venancio has left. I don't know where he's gone off to now, and I can fix the TV and you can't see shit. Have a look at it, please. Take a look at this piece of junk. Careful, you fucking idiot! What a stupid demon! If I would known, I'd left you crawling in hell like the fucking pest you are! Oh, for God's sake, let's see. What's wrong with the TV? Well, it's missing 4 little batteries. It's missing 4 little batteries. Look, there's one over there. See if you can find the rest around the house. You go. I can move around so well. I'm too old for that now. A little chubby too. What should I do? What should I do? It's not my fault.
You sure? I mean, go on a diet. You old hack. Wait.
Are you gonna stay here all day?
Be quiet! You're pissing me off.
Alright, sorry about those shitty padlocks. Venancio likes them and he puts them all around. A bit nonsense if you ask me.
Okay, hold on.
You're not as much as a fucking moron as you look, and you look like a total fucking moron! Now bring me the batteries, you're under my orders!
Yo, bitch! I fucking hate you, damn! You just summoned a demon just for that? Stupid old hack. Okay. Sounds like you're farting. Sounds like you're taking a shit. Oh, it's one. Cool. Hey. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Okay. You have a very satanic house, lady. What? No, let me. Hey! Should I make a demon voice? I can't.
Epa, you're back! Did you bring all the batteries?
Yes,
Didn't
mama.
steal my rings, did you?
You're what?
Let's see, put them in right, okay? Carefully, damn it!
I did, Grandma!
There,
The fuck?
you've already fucked it up. What a useless demon. Well, look, not so useless. It's turned on. Oh yeah, of course, but you can't see shit. You just see those little sparkles. I think it needs a thingy that goes on top of the TV. My Venancio always told me, be careful with the thing on top of the TV. I think it's like a satellite or something. You have to put it on, that's for sure. To fix my TV, you have to do it, alright? You're a demon, and it's your purpose and all that, isn't it? Hey, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, shut up. Oh. Okay. I cannot sprint. It kind of annoys the shit out of me. How was it? Hold on. So, half of it is like a 2, I think. I don't know.
Are you gonna stay here all day?
Shush, Grandma.
Honey?
Or do I have to do it with the whole thing? I don't know. Ah, there you go. I think that's fine. Okay, so it's like a triangle thing. Okay. I think that. Okay, you're like. Okay. None of them match. Woohoo! I did it as a... Holy shit! I did it as a mistake. What?
I should have summoned a demon to scratch my pussy. But now, look at you. All goddamn day with the TV.
What do you mean, woman? Oh, so that's what I need it for. Got it. So I need you to bring me light. Ah! Oh! Well, not good anymore. Okay, let me see. Or is it this thing? Oops. Is it this thing that I'm supposed to follow? Okay, so you open something, but how am I supposed to know what? I'm just gonna play around with them. Is it supposed to be in the middle or where? I know that's right. Wait. Is it supposed to be this way? I guess it's supposed to be in the middle. Oh, wait! Ah! Okay, so these should be all 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so... Okay, big brain! Come on! You can do it! Hold on. You're doing what? Buddy! We're friends! We're pals! We're from the same race! Why are you throwing me away? To banish the captor, activate the seal when he approaches. How do I do that? How do I do that? Woo! How the fuck am I supposed to do everything? Stop! Am I supposed to click on you? What am I supposed to do? Where am I supposed to go? You're horrible. Am I safe? Don't tell me. Don't tell me. What did I do? What did I do?
Shit, it took you so long to bring the satellite thing. Come on, my little demon, don't stay there. Come close and put that on the TV.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, do you like niggas? Do you know what it is?
You horrible What? What? What did you do with your head? What? Hold on. Oh, okay,
Careful. Put it on carefully, okay?
You stupid. Yes, Grandma.
Well, look at you. Very good, my infernal vermin. It looks like it is getting signal. But wait, this is not what I want to watch. Oh, fuck, that's right, the antenna. The antenna is missing. Run, my little demon. Go get the antenna at Venantius' workshop and seal the pact. Come on.
Stupid woman. God, I hate you. Vermin shop, that means... Okay. Any light? Oh, thank God, Jesus. Okay. I hate it! Stop coming from behind! Just come front! Come in front! In my face! Come in my face! Bitch! Fuck you! Fuck you and your weird ass glasses! Oh my God. Are you coming? Fuck. Wait. Wait, what? Wait, am I supposed to push it? Oh! Oh! What? I clicked it! I touched it! I touched you! I touched two! Two! By the way, again, the game is loud as fuck. Like, hardcore loud. Jesus. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's going on, but the fucking audio is going crazy. Just, there you go. There you go. I touched you. 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 I did. Am I supposed to leave you space so that way, because of the thing? There you go. You sound like you're... Are you taking a shit? What the... Should I even ask? You don't scare me after what I'm hearing, what I'm listening to. Jesus Christ! Is there something here? Oh, there he is. Oh, it's the exit. Would you look at that? Would you look at that too? I'm getting better at the thing. Right. Oh. I'm traumatized, man. I'm traumatized. I don't know what to say. There you go. Pow. Oh, right! Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, really? You come from behind all of the time, and then you decide to come from the front? Just me and my steps. My demon steps, which, by the way, I don't understand why, you hating me so much, like we are homies. What the fuck was that? Oh, shit. Jesus, my eyes.
If I want to get inside electricity itself, I'm going to need a bigger power supply. I will start by building a meta-sinusoidal network of parasympathetic connections. So
Oh, shit. Oh. There you go. Peekaboo. What am I supposed to do now? I'm so lost. Purple. Wait, ain't that with me? Holy shit! Were you hitting me? The fuck was that? Boom, 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 boom. Were you hitting me? God dang. Oh! You stuck. Okay, good. Okay, good. Coming? Are you coming? Yes! Wow. What the fuck? What the hell? What is that? Like a shit. What are you gonna do? Are you getting close? What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh, oh, oh! What do you want? Fuck! What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to run away from it? Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Am I supposed to run between these things? Back to my base? Die. Hey, okay, shit. I can't run. Damn. Jesus. Oh! Yeah! Fuck yeah! The antenna! The bright light.
finally, you have the last piece. Oh, demon, fix my TV!
Bring antenna to what? Ow! Where am I? What the fuck? Octopus thing. People are into like ah! I'm hearing it behind it. Behind me. I mean, oh. Okay, are we done? Holy shit. Oh no, fuck. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Oh. I mean, you know, if you change the fucking mechanics when I'm being chased, I'm not gonna notice. Oh, you have to look at it. Shit, what am I supposed to do? Wait. Wait! No idea! Holy moly! How am I supposed to get there? Listen! How am I supposed to get there? Wait, what? Oh my god. Ooh. Okay. Oh, got it. Got it. What do you mean? Wait. Where am I supposed to go? Wait. What? I'm not getting it. So, I'm going there, but at the same time, I'm not? What? Okay! Now what? What do you mean? Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay. Now what? Okay. What? Holy moly. Oh. Yes? Ah! Yes! 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 Fuck! What? Now what? Okay, I'm moving to who, to where? What, where? Okay. Let me in. Ow! Stop teasing me so much. You wanna touch me? You know, everybody does. Ha! Holy fuck, what the fuck is this? What? What? Is it a maze? Okay. Oh, if it's you, then GG. You're showing me the way, actually. There's Lisa. Oh, wow. Oh, shit. You're too? You're here too? Oh. Okay. No. That's fine. That's fine. That's perfect. That's actually perfect. Hold on. Big brain time. Now I have to not die. Yes! If you're coming from in front of me, I'm close, I'm so close. Please, fuck the bitch, please. I'm so close. Ah! My fingers. God, I'm nervous. Okay, please. Yes! Yes! Another one? Are you kidding me? Oh, my God.
Just a little more.
Okay. What am I supposed to do now? What am I supposed to do now? Huh? Eh? Oh. Oh, wow. Did I touch it? Fuck. Okay, if it's just evading these things, I'm Gucci. I'm perfectly fine. Now the I'm good at timing. What do you mean? Oh! I get it now. I get it. I have to look at you so that way it doesn't... I get it. Jesus, I'm so sorry. I get Jesus. Oh, they're multiple. Oh. You had children! How the fuck? When the fuck did you fuck? You have time for that and to chase me as well? That's so stupid. You have time to fuck and then chase me too? It's horrible. Yes. What? No! What? Bruh. The moment I have it all figured out, I'm being dumb. Come on, be for real. Okay, editor, by the way, you have to, like, make me look good, you know? Like, you know, first try, everything. Yep. You know it, right? But I was looking at it! 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 Now this. I am looking at you. I am looking at you. You. Okay. Oh! What now? Tell me that's the end. Tell me this is 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 the end. Oh, fuck. Tell me this is the end. Yes! Oh! Oh my god! Holy fuck! Oh! Wait, what? Oh my god. What the fuck is this? Holy shit, you're still behind. Oh. What? Oh, I got stuck. Oh, I don't get it. I think this is the last then. Yeah. Okay. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Okay. Was that it? Yes! Holy fuck! Yes! Fuck you! Oh my god. Yes!
Very good. It should pick up a signal any moment now. What the fuck? Oh, no, please, my TV. What am I going to do now without my TV? It's the only thing I have left. Well, Demon, you did the best you could. It's fine. I'll guess I just stay here with... What's that?
Encarna! Encarna!
But...
Hey! Hey, Encarna!
Venancio?
Encarnita! Encarnita, it's me!
Oh, it can be. Venancio, is that you?
Oh!
Yes, for fuck's sake, it's me! I was busy!
What were you doing that took you so long to come back?
Oh, you know, with my gadgets and my things, time just flies by!
And are you okay? Are you hungry?
I'm fine! And I see you finally managed to summon a demon, look at you!
Oh, yeah. He helped me fix the TV. Don't play the fucker anymore. Oh, really?
You have no idea.
Whatever, bitch!
Flying
Well,
around.
isn't that nice? You could have told me, that you were going to piss off to look at octopuses.
Well, how the fuck...
He did!
You know what I'm going to see?
I bet you smell like a pig.
Well, shit, leave me alone, damn it!
Leave me alone, he says.
You know how much I love you, my little cow.
My little...
What did you say, Venancio?
Okay. I cannot touch you anymore? That's
Are
fine.
you still here, you fucking demon? Don't you have to go back to your fucking shitty hell? You're done here. Get out.
Yeah, get out!
Thank you so much, and fuck off.
Well, fuck you too! The fuck you mean, you stupid fucking bitch! The fuck you want me to... I hated it, I loved it, I hated it, I love it, I don't know what to say, I hated it and I love it and I hate it. I hated it and love it. Everything at once. I don't even know what to tell you. The music was cool though. I love that. But thank you everybody so much for watching. I appreciate you so much for seeing me rage like a crazy person. What can I say? Ooh, hope you have a good day or night depending on your time zone, and bye-bye!
Ha 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 ha!